Hello everybody, this is GameActive here to bring you another tutorial involving Minecraft launchers. I'm guessing that's the only type of tutorial I'll ever do. But with regards to that, I've gotten, let's just say, questions about how to add and remove mods from packs on the Twitch desktop app. Now, I'm curious why I've been getting these questions, and that's all I'll say about that, but the process is actually really simple. So let's just say, I really do dig this Modern Moderation Lite Edition. However, there's a certain mod that I have a certain issue with. Construct's Armory. Why is there Construct's Armory in this pack? We all know that mod is overpowered and broken as all hell. So, what you can do with that is that you can press the gear on the top right of your screen and then click Profile Options. From Profile Options, you have the option to rename the pack. You have a locked option, which is the important one. You have an option to set a specific amount of memory that this pack specifically will use rather than your system memory setting. You can select a mod loader version, which is the version of Forge that you'll run when using this pack. And you can select preferred release type. And you may think, well, how much does that help when I can't add anything to the pack? Well, we're about to get there. Notice I have that unchecked. And now we got two new options on each side of the table. We have these little switches on the left here, which allow you to disable and enable mods. So let's go to the problem mod of Construct's Armory. Just click that, it ticks off, and you'll notice the file name is now has the word disabled on the end of it. Right there. Now if we really didn't like Construct's Armory, we could go ahead and completely delete the file using that trash bin icon. Now, say you did that to a file you didn't actually want to get rid of. Well, how do you get it back? Well, that process is pretty straightforward. You now have a Get More Content button available next to the gear, which was not available when the pack was locked. And using this, you can browse through the mods that are available, which are all on curseforge.com. Curseforge.com is where a lot of mods are hosted these days, and it's my recommended place where you go to download any mods that you want to use. So instead of just browsing through here, you can also just straight up search for anything that you need. So let's type Construct Armory just to get this little mod back. And then all you have to do is click the install button, and then it'll re-download it, and it'll be enabled by default when you go back to the profile. You can also download specific versions by clicking on the mod title and then clicking this versions tab. We just want the latest version because it doesn't matter. So we can back out of all that, and let's just say we want to make sure we don't accidentally delete the Construct's Armory mod again. Well, that's simple. We click the gear, profile options, relock the pack, and now we can't mess with that stuff anymore. Isn't that straightforward? I would believe so. So I hope that now that you know exactly what I've done, and exactly how to do it, you can do it on your own without having to ask me. You're welcome in advance.